Random approach or shotgun sequencing. This is random process in which there is no control of the region that is going to be sequenced, also known as shotgun sequencing. Genomic DNA is randomly fragmented using nebulization or sonication into smaller pieces ranging from 2 to 3 kb. The DNA fragments are inserted into a vector that is replicated in a bacterial culture. The DNA fragments are extensively sequenced through several positive amplifications. The generated sequences may overlap because of the random nature of this process. A high level of redundancy of this process makes the approach very expensive. Venter et al. Introduced a new version of this method in 1996 in which the whole genome can be shotgunned at once. Shotgun sequencing is well established because of the availability of the cloning vectors, fluorescently labeled primers, software for base calling and sequence assembly. A simple diagram of shotgun sequencing is shown in the figure. Although this approach is very compatible with automation, the gap produced by this method can be completed only through direct approach. As a conclusion, shotgun sequencing is a much faster process than clone by clone sequencing. Whole genome shotgun sequencing uses a fraction of the DNA that clone by clone sequencing needs. Shotgun sequencing is particularly efficient if there is an existing reference sequence. Also, it is much easier to assemble the genome sequence by aligning it to an existing reference genome and less expensive methods requiring a genetic map.